बहुत ही मंजे हुए एक्टर्स हैं वो.
That is true.
They are not children as far as the camera is concerned.
They're little devils who are trying to tell us कि भैया अपनी acting का notch ऊपर करो.
But, the first time we met, Biswa and Sameer met me. He narrated the first episode to me, and immediately after that I said yes. Immediately, there was no question of. So for me, see, when you listen to scripts day in day out for so many years, it becomes very easy for you to gauge immediately that where this is coming from.
But मैं जब इस सेट पे आई, I don't know why I felt that like मेरा आपके साथ एक सीन था जहाँ पे आई से कि अरे मैं चीटिंग वाला कुछ सीन था और मैं I could feel that in my body and I was like oh my god प्रसन्ना तुझे डर लग रहा है ये कैसे हो रहा है और मुझसे ठीक से हो नहीं पा रहा था तो मैं सर को बोला सर मुझे ना मैं actually nervous हूँ तो सर solved it for me and like प्रसन्ना maybe this is a new world for you. People take time, you will take time to understand it and it's okay, everything's gonna be fine.
And especially very small kids, you will get 1 or 2 takes because there was a kid जिसको I think खीर was one, जिसको उसके मुंह पे खीर लगानी थी हल्का सा एक शॉट पे and he literally got grumpy that I will not put kheer here. We had to rub the kheer.
This has to come from the other party. I would love to perform as many roles as possible and different kinds. So I've not had the good fortune of being offered too many roles. The ones I got when I got Toast, I was very, very, very happy.
Since 5-6 years, I've taken a break from television because I wanted to explore OTT. And also, I was a little tired of doing comedy.
I'm not going to ask like how good were you all at academics.
Arey wow, thank you.
I wasn't good at. I'm not going to pressure anybody.
No school की याद है.
कोई पढ़ाई नहीं करने जा रहा था.
मैं तो बिल्कुल
कि पढ़ाई करने में
पढ़ाकू मुंडा.
तो लाइक अच्छा ट्यूसडे आज कौन से लेक्चर्स हैं अच्छा ये टीचर भी होंगी अरे ये भी हैं अच्छा तो बड़ा मजा आएगा.
Hi, my name is Monica and today we are here with the cast of Adarsh Bal Vidyalaya. Welcome to Hindustan Times.
Thank you.
Lovely to meet you. Before I want to start this conversation, I want to say कि आप लोग offend ना होइए, but child actors are amazing on the show. काफी टक्कर दी है.
बहुत ज़्यादा टक्कर दी है.
That is absolutely true. मुझे जानना है कि like how did the casting for the kids happen because they are so good with the comic timing. I was genuinely very, very surprised, but also because I watched first 3 episodes, it's just like they are so good. Especially KK sir, आपके साथ तो और ऐसा so many moments where I felt like okay.
बहुत ही मंजे हुए एक्टर्स हैं वो.
That is true.
They are not children as far as the camera is concerned.
They're little devils who are trying to tell us कि भैया अपनी acting का notch ऊपर करो.
So they're absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, and it's so nice to see such young actors like have this kind of talent. कहाँ से आता है? It's just consistently always surprising. I've watched the first 3 episodes, but it's so exciting to have this kind of conversation in the current time where education conversation in India is also very big as of now. But this is talking about education in a government school in such a way where ये आप तक बात पहुँचेगी. So initially, when the script came to you, and how many episodes did you read before you said, "Oh, this is something I want to do"? And what was the first day like? What was the one scene that you shot on the first day where you felt like, "Oh, this is genuinely going to be so interesting"? आप नहीं तारीफ कर सकते अभी.
खुद की
हाँ मैं मतलब
आप शुरुआत करिए.
मैं more than just my character, मैं तो I was so impressed and excited by everybody else's character because see when you see a particular project which you want to say yes to, एक होता है कि who else is there in it. The list was amazing, and then the characters when I saw Gyaneshwar and I was imagining KK in it. I said this is going to be amazing. Yeah. So every character जो पेज पर और जो नरेशन में बिसु ने बताया था was hilarious. Without intending to be hilarious, they were just so funny, and that is the victory and of this particular script and this project. That किसी ने हंसाने की कोशिश नहीं की है, but the audiences are going to be tickled and they're going to chuckle and they're going to literally laugh out loud also in moments.
Yeah. So
मुझे तो इन्होंने नरेशन दिया था तो कैरेक्टर की एंट्री की पहली लाइन सुनाई कि वो पॉलिटिशियन है, गोल्डी आता है और स्पीच दे रहा है. मतलब कुछ जर्नलिस्ट हैं उनको बोल रहा है कि अगर विपक्ष को आपने वोट दिया तो महंगाई 10 तो क्या 20% से भी ऊपर चली जाएगी। तो फिर कोई पूछता है कि अच्छा तो 100 रुपए की चीज़ कितने में मिलेगी, तो गोल्डी ठहरा गवार। तो वो हड़बड़ाता है और वो महंगी मिलेगी। He doesn't have answer. And then फिर भी कितनी, नहीं बहुत महंगी मिलेगी, ऐसे करके चला जाता है। तो ये गोल्डी का इंट्रोडक्शन, बोला हाँ मज़ा आएगा और सुनाइए। ऐसे करके फिर उन्होंने जब पूरा सुनाया बिशु भाई ने, एंड आई वाज सोल्ड, मतलब मज़ा आने वाला है। ये यू नो ऑफ कोर्स इसमें ह्यूमर तो है ही, पर एक ग्रे शेड है, कुछ नेगेटिव सा शेड है, और वो भी लाइक इन योर फेस नहीं है, यू नो, क्योंकि वो अपने आप में तो जो सोचता है कि वो जो कर रहा है वो सही ही कर रहा है, जस्टिफाइड है। एंड ओवरऑल जो शो जो सुनाया तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, एंड आई फेल्ट आई हैव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट।
So you get to play such a fun character. He is so quick on his feet, but he has such a human nature to him. He has such a way of talking to the kids, especially K3G. It is such a moment where I felt like, okay, this is going to be a character that is so intriguing. When you got this, like, oh, someone is not thinking of me as a police officer or some grey shade. It was fun to read, like, just read that.
Yeah. In fact, the first time we met, Biswa and Sameer met me. He narrated the first episode to me. And immediately after that, I said yes. Immediately. There was no question of... So for me, see, when you listen to scripts day in, day out for so many years, it becomes very easy for you to you know, gauge immediately that where this is coming from. And the way it was written, the way he narrated the whole thing, gave me enough confidence that I can blindly do this without thinking anything. So that's how I went into it. And I'm so glad. And of course, I read the entire, all the episodes and all that stuff. The way they handle humor is very unique. And I find that most intriguing, that the audiences also will enjoy. It's not just slapstick. It's not something so pure to it, no? That while playing Gyaneshwar, it helped me a lot. And entire thing is their creation. As far as Gyaneshwar is concerned, they actually created the entire thing for me. I had to just play it as efficiently as I can, which we try to do.
Yeah, you should do more comedies, I guess. What a year for you, Prasanna. Like, it's an interesting year for you, and this project also is interesting. First scene mein you can kind of gauge ki, oh, she's going to be this like spirited woman who wants to bring a change. But there's also so many amazing actors on the show. You have so many scenes with Mr. Abhimanyu Singh, and like, you tell me what was like initial days on the set where you were like just getting into the character.
Actually, मैं बहुत I was very nervous, and I told sir as well, because इससे पहले जो मैंने characters किए हैं वो बहुत intense है, and I'm a new actor. तो मुझे अभी switch करने में मैं especially like when मैं कभी set में nervous नहीं हूँ. By the way, I just want to tell you that मैंने सर को भी बोला, मैं किसी set में आज तक nervous नहीं हुई हूँ, but मैं जब इस set पे आई, I don't know why I felt that, like मेरा आपके साथ एक सीन था जहाँ पे आई से कि अरे मैं चीटिंग वाला कुछ सीन था, और मैं I could feel that in my body, and I was like, oh my god प्रसन्ना, तुझे डर लग रहा है, ये कैसे हो रहा है, और मुझसे ठीक से हो नहीं पा रहा था. तो मैं सर को बोला, सर मुझे ना, मैं एक्चुअली नर्वस हूँ. तो सर सॉल्व्ड इट फॉर मी, एंड लाइक, प्रसन्ना, मे बी दिस इज अ न्यू वर्ल्ड फॉर यू. People take time, you will take time to understand it, and it's okay, everything's gonna be fine. And actually it's true, क्योंकि मैंने इतना थोड़ा सा डार्क कैरेक्टर्स एक्सप्लोर किए थे, एंड थोड़ा इस तरीके का जॉनरा एक्सप्लोर किया था, बट मैंने लाइट जॉनरा कभी एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया था. तो मुझे उसमें सीखने का बहुत मौका मिला थ्रू दिस. सो स्टार्टिंग में बहुत नर्वस थी, बट देन आई स्टार्टेड हैविंग फन, एंड देन धीरे धीरे करके वो आराम से अच्छे से बिल्ड हुआ.
You've written so many characters over the years. You've created so many spaces where I feel like maybe not the mainstream was talking about, where you were able to talk about all of those conversations. There is like a third episode mein human reproduction pe gana hai, which obviously we'll release this interview once the shows are out. But that was so interesting to me because the teacher cannot say certain words.
Yeah.
I was genuinely, oh, you are a teacher in a government school जो पल्लू रखती है. She is not able to speak about biology. What was the idea? And like so many all the teachers and their characters are so unique. Please tell me about it.
So like this particular teacher that you say, this came during research only, that a lot
Okay.
of especially female teachers come from very conservative backgrounds. और ये तो हमारे सबके स्कूल में हुआ है कि बायो का वो चैप्टर was uncomfortable for even in private schools, मतलब teachers को problem होती है. So somebody from that background, अब वो कैसे पढ़ाएगी? Then we thought, what if it's a song? What if she's comfortable to sing it out? And again, it's a trope that's done, but what if we can create a song and which is very academic in nature only? कि ऐसा नहीं कि हम कुछ random words बोल रहे हैं. It is actually a summary of the chapter, but you say it through a song.
Yeah.
And then everything fell in place, and the song also turned out nice. So I think we are quite happy with how that track is handled.
Yeah, it's so interesting. I love the kids so much because it's not easy to. Also, the kids also don't come with any kind of baggage. A very clean slate in terms
Yeah.
of how they want to act and all. So they do it so beautifully. There's this one child actor who has so many scenes with Abhimanyu Singh. And I feel I was genuinely horrified at the way he's come to the teacher's room, sat on the table, and he's like, आपने टिफिन में उनको बोलना कि गाजर थोड़ा सा नरम करके
Correct.
Please tell me like about these kids, like how many auditions you've had to do.
So again, the whole entire credit goes to the
Vaibhav.
casting team, Vaibhav, Vishant,
Yeah.
and anti-casting team. They auditioned like till the time we locked the kid, we were not satisfied. They kept on sending tests after tests after tests. So like I think the last kid was locked maybe 4 days before shoot. So they were relentless in just sending us tests after till the time we were happy. And of course, no matter how many auditions you do on the day,
Yeah.
with kids you never know what can go wrong. But luckily, touchwood, I mean, all of them were superb on all days, and everything worked out.
Yeah. Like also they have very they work also limited hours and you have
Yeah,
to
yeah,
bring
of course,
out
of course, of
everything
course, yeah.
during those
And
times.
especially very small kids, you will get 1 or 2 takes because there was a kid जिसको I think खीर was one जिसको उसके मुंह पे खीर लगानी थी हल्का सा एक शॉट पे, and he literally got grumpy that I will not put खीर here. We had to rub the खीर कि ठीक है बेटा मत लगा.
हम लोग रुके हुए थे बेटा, तू अभी तू अपना कर ले.
Oh my god, how cute are the kids are. Like I completely understand. Ma'am, this just few months ago there was Toaster, obviously another platform, but like in the last few months we've seen you in shades where like you are phenomenal on camera. I think you don't do enough. It's just like a greedy person asking to do more. But like what has been like the last couple of years where you've got to play characters that are so interesting, written so well, and you perform it like you just out of the box. Like, please tell me.
Well, I've said this earlier also that for somebody to see me as that character, this has to come from the other party. I would love to perform as many roles as possible and different kinds. So I've not had the good fortune of being offered too many roles. The ones I got when I got Toaster, I was very, very, very happy. That was different. And then when Bisu approached me for this role, I saw the shades in it and I said, this is a wonderful opportunity to explore my own potential or my, to challenge myself to do something which I have never done before. And I've done many roles जो similar. उसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत challenge होता है, इसको कैसे different करो. But here it was completely different. So for me, that was the joy and the challenge both of accepting something so different. And so when Bisu told me about this role, I was very, very happy. Also, the cast for me was a big draw because I thought that I'm going to get the opportunity to work with people I've never worked with before, but hugely admired. So it was a win-win for me, and this year is looking good.
Yeah. So Gawar Goldi is. I immediately, the moment I saw you on screen, there's no, oh, Devin Bhojani is here. It's gonna be fun to watch. आपको तो ये बहुत सालों से कई बार मिला रहेगा. I remember watching Dekh Bhai Dekh when I was growing up, and oh my God, Garima was such a character that I love so much. And over the years, you've played so many shades. You've also been filmmaking and all. So what does excite you about comedy still, and like the characters obviously are so different, but what is it about the comedy in general that excites you still?
Yeah, in fact, for last about 5-6 years back, since 5-6 years, I've taken a break from
Yes.
television
Yes.
because I wanted to explore OTT, and also I was a little tired of doing comedy. टेलीविजन पे ज़्यादा कॉमेडीज की हैं, तो OTT पर जब शुरुआत हुई तो आई cautiously chose roles which were not comedy. And I did quite a few roles, and then this one came to me, and I said कॉमेडी है तो मैंने तो सोचा था कि नहीं करूँगा, बोला चलो तो सुन तो लेते हैं, you know, because इनका नाम बड़ा सुना था, इनके काम देखे हुए, तो मिल तो लेते हैं. और फिर व्हेन आई हर्ड द नरेशन, और बोला ये सिर्फ कॉमेडी नहीं है, इसमें बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा है, बहुत सारे लेयर्स हैं और ग्रे शेड है और क्या कुछ नहीं है. एंड प्लस ओवरऑल ensemble और हिमांक डायरेक्टर जिनके साथ मैं काम कर चुका था, बहुत अच्छा हमारा ट्यूनिंग था, और इन्होंने जिस तरह से मुझे नरेशन दिया, सो मुझे बताया गया कि स्क्रीन टाइम शायद इतना नहीं होगा, पर इम्पोर्टेंस और मीट काफ़ी है. तो जिस सीन में आप होंगे वो सीन में आपको करने का बड़ा मज़ा आएगा. और वो अपने लाइक यू नो जब मैंने एपिसोड्स पढ़े तो हाँ वैसा ही था, एंड आई रियली एंजॉयड.
Yeah. So what is it about the long format in general that is like episodic format that is so exciting? Like obviously you get to live that character a bit more, I guess. What is it about streaming in general that is like very different from what like the films you do?
I guess it's the character gets juiced out well. Plus, you have tributary, stories which also get due justice. So it's like a whole world that you can create, and somewhere it's between a film and a television serial. Television serial is endless. I mean, it goes on for whatever 100 episodes. Film is about 2.5 hours, and here you have something just there, you know, about 8 episodes.
Yeah.
Which is like 2.5 hour film. I mean, 2.5 films. So, so it kind of gives the writer, the actors. Mind you, the writing is completely different. I mean, he'll vouch for that because you have to write differently for a longer format. But for the actor, it's a pleasure because then you can actually explore it very well in depth and not be in a hurry. So I guess in the world in which you have 1 minute reels, this is quite a relief.
Yeah, that's true. That's absolutely true. I because I want to know that like obviously going back to a story like that, obviously school की यादें तो रही होंगी where like you feel like oh, but were you I'm not going to ask like how good were you all at academics?
Arey wow, thank you.
I wasn't good at. I'm not going to pressure anybody.
No school की यादें.
School की यादें in the sense like but I feel like what was that one memory of the school that felt like oh इसके वजह से मुझे स्कूल जाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Like I used to enjoy it because I used to get to meet my friends, spend time with them. So is there anything particularly that school की memories में where that stuck with you for like still today?
I think similar, like just friends. I had a group of 3-4 friends, and I mean हमारा कुछ चलता रहता था बीच में.
That's true.
कि टीचर पढ़ा रही है बट हमारा कुछ आपस में जोक्स चल रहे हैं. तो वो तो होता रहता. That was the just meeting them, spending time with them. That was the fun part. That's why we used to go to school there.
Same friends.
कोई पढ़ाई नहीं करने जा रहा था.
मैं तो बिल्कुल
कि पढ़ाई करने मिली
पढ़ाकू मुंडा.
तो लाइक अच्छा ट्यूसडे आज कौन से लेक्चर्स हैं, अच्छा ये टीचर भी होंगी, अरे ये भी है, अच्छा आज तो बड़ा मजा आएगा. नेक्स्ट डे वेडनेसडे आज तो ये इंग्लिश है, आज
The teacher's pet.
Yeah,
So,
I get it.
कि मजा आएगा, यू नो, टीचर्स से प्यार मिलेगा और शाबाशी मिलेगी, all that.
But was there like stress होता था parent teacher meeting में कि report card दिखाई जाएगी तो डांट भी पड़ने वाली
मेरे टाइम में I think there was no parent teacher
हाँ,
meeting.
हमारे टाइम में नहीं हुआ
There
करता.
wasn't. No parent was called unless there was a big problem.
अच्छा
तो हमारे को हमारे parent, my father has never seen my school. अगर कोई उनको बोलता कि इतने 1000 रुपए देंगे चौधरी साहब आप बता दो कि आपकी बेटी ये 4 स्कूल में, he would not know which school his daughter studied in. Never.
Oh.
अब शुरू हुआ है भैया ये सब कि
But not obviously your parents, so you do go to you did go to parent teacher meeting. That would have been a very different experience.
I've been to my children का
Yeah.
वो भी मैं अवॉइड करती थी सब ठीक चल रहा है ना क्यों इतनी दूर गाड़ी में बैठकर जाओ यार हाँ कोई बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम हो गई एंड दे स्पेसिफिकली आस्क वो हार्डली एक आध बार ही शायद हुआ होगा
अच्छा. Oh, nobody had report card वाले issues.
अरे
Oh.
मैं तो दूर ही रखती थी अपने पेरेंट्स को क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी खुद टीचर है वो तो पता करवाती थी कि कब है पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग और वो जब अगर स्कूल आ गई तो वो हर एक होते हैं एक पेरेंट्स होते हैं अच्छे जो रिपोर्ट कार्ड लेते हैं क्लास टीचर से बात करके चले जाते हैं मेरी मम्मी थी उनको हर सब्जेक्ट के टीचर से मिलना होता था और हर सब्जेक्ट का टीचर यही बोलते थे कि इसका बस जुबान बंद करा दो ये इतना बोलती है तो प्रिंसिपल बोलती थी इसके मुंह में टेप लगा के बिठाऊंगी मैं इसको या
Is there a particular like period that everyone enjoyed like in school like ये इसमें तो मजा ही आता था.
games
PT
games.
period was
Yeah.
everybody was always
Exactly.
told.
He used to hate it.
I used to
इसका
hate
बस चले तो PT period बैन हो जाए हिंदुस्तान में
स्कूल में
Sir, यही तो था जहाँ पे मैं actually ground में जा पाती थी.
रिसेस सबसे बढ़िया लगता था सबको खाना
Yeah.
पीना होता था
Yeah.
फिर जो छुट्टी की घंटी बजती थी वो सब भागते थे
Yeah, but I would always enjoy when the recess में like everyone's tiffin would be opened and like we would eat together. That would be fun to
You
watch.
guys ate together मतलब
Yeah.
used to share
Yeah.
really
Yeah.
हमारा तो ऐसा नहीं होता
हम
सब
share
तो
करते
अपने डब्बे लेकर
हाँ, we could share and all.
Yeah.
तब तो थोड़े से ease out हो गए थे स्कूल वाले.
But the best time was जब बारिशों के वक्त हाँ आपको ये पता चलता था कि आज छुट्टी हो गई बिकॉज ऑफ हैवी रेन गुस्सा आता था कि यार उठे तो गए और स्कूल तक पहुंच गए और फिर बताया लेकिन फिर जो वापस आकर खुशी होती थी तब फोन वोन का चक्कर नहीं था कि ईमेल पहुंच गई सबको कि टुडे स्कूल आजकल तो स्कूल से ईमेल पहुंच जाती है दैट डोंट बॉदर कमिंग टू स्कूल एंड योर चाइल्ड यू नो बिकॉज ऑफ रेन हमारे टाइम में था वी यूज्ड टू रीच स्कूल एंड oh class is closed school is closed today darling you have to go oh we used to run back
my parents were so crazy हमारे में तो स्नोफॉल होती थी और 2014 आई थिंक इतना ज़्यादा स्नोफॉल हुआ था कि पेड़ पे गिर गए थे मेरे घर वालों ने मुझे नहला धुला के नहा के स्कूल भेजा और मैं वहाँ अकेले स्कूल का बैग लेके खड़ी हूँ लाइक व्हाई द हेल आर यू इवन हियर कांट यू सी कि सब कुछ टूट फूट रहा है गो बैक आई नो इट्स माय पेरेंट्स
That I know, great memories from school.
Yeah.
And I know it's a very short interview, but I have to wrap up now. But all the very best. I've watched the 3 episodes. I've loved it. So
Thank
I hope.
you.
And the cliffhanger had me. What? I didn't expect that. So I'm hoping I get to know more soon. And all
you
the
will
very
on
best.
24th July you will get to
Yes.
know everything
I
about
will
Adarsh
watch
Pandey.
it because I'm enjoying it, and I feel like this इतने दिग्गज हो तो आपको देखना ही चाहिए basically.
Thank
But thank you so much, and lovely talking to you.
Thank you.